Never see a waterfall like this in Jamaica yet.
Oh gosh, something. I mean, just the white rocks, the
And
space,
so much water.
so much water.
Imagine you had a source of water, and then one day you come back and you just find fence around it.
Yeah, crazy.
And then you find out there's a multi-billion dollar company now outside your like source
The
of water.
story of so
Yeah.
many.
Chris?